Welcome to your Straight Razor Edge Friday special. 4 tips and tricks to check if your straight razor is shave ready. Hey, Eric here with Adventures in Wet Shaving, and welcome back. It's good to see you. If you're interested in learning how to straight razor shave and all things straight razor related, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then click on the bell next to it to be notified when I upload videos. That way you won't miss a thing. We are checking to see if your straight razor is shave ready, starting right now. Number 4, look to see if the bevel on your straight razor is shiny and doesn't have any big scratches in it. So what I would normally do is look at this with a light, and you can see, I think you can see there, that edge is really shiny, and that's a good sign. Now, here's another razor. This one we just honed up. All right, so now see that? That has got a nice shiny bevel on it as well. Yeah, which is, again, a good sign. Now, this one will be the easiest to see. This is my big Wade & Butcher for Gentleman's Use, and it has got a nice shiny bevel on it as well. Yeah. Number 3, just because your straight razor can shave hair off of your arm, that does not mean it's shave ready. That means it is as sharp as a pocket knife. I wouldn't shave with that blade. Number 2, the real test to see if your straight razor is shave ready is tree-topping hairs off of your arm. That is actually putting that blade halfway up on a hair and being able to clip it off and lose the top of that hair halfway down. So what we do is we test the toe, and that blade is not touching my arm, and it is popping hairs. We test the center of the blade, and it is popping hairs. We test the heel, not touching my arm again, is halfway up, and it is popping hairs. This blade is shave ready, and it is sharp. Cesar DeFranco shared with me the different levels of the hanging hair test on this website. Link in the description. Thanks, Cesar. Number 1, the ultimate test to see if your straight razor is shave ready is to shave with it. It's all about the edge, and that starts with the bevel. You'll need to properly set the bevel on your straight razor before moving through the honing progression to get a truly sharp and shave ready edge. Stay tuned for up and coming video on the most important part, why you can't hone your straight razor. Click up here to see my latest video. Click over here to see a video specially picked out for you. Click over here to see from sharp to shave ready. Have a great shave and a good day, and I will see you next time on Adventures in Wet Shaving.